Hey gang, a few years back we did a convertible Firebird 400 here in the garage for my good friend Matt, who's an avid car collector up from Cave Creek, Arizona. And this is going to be a little update. I think we got something y'all might want to see. So thanks so much for tuning in and watching this little clip. And give us a thumbs up. Thanks.
Greatest painter in the world. Look at this color. It's killer. How straight it is. Beautiful.
See, now this is all factory kind of stuff. You know, you can spend time and do all these, but that's a factory. You know,
Correct.
It was just spot welds. And of course, all this looks.
That's right. And Jeff trimmed these and then put the seam sealer in here. Did a great job. Let me zoom in on that so you can see that. And trimmed so you looks done just the way the factory did it. And then here, if you look at his, remember his videos, just came out absolutely spectacular. Look at that. Beautiful. Had to put the hole in because this was an NOS fender here. Had to cut the hole. Jim did that. And just paint this and it looks absolutely fantastic. Let's take a look over here. Hood tack. Doors. Jeff has a lot of time in these and they just came out great. Jim too. Just superb. Jeff, thank you. And Jimmy, great work. Say hi, Jim.
Oh. That's my best side.
Great.
Is he the one that did this?
Yeah, Jeff.
Dude, you did a good job, man. Nice. And I'm not a critic or nothing. Good job. Nice job.
That's right.
You did well.
That's right.
Yep.
The great Jim Mashad, custom paint and body, and Jeff LeClaire,
Good job.
Hot Rods and Muscle Cars. Thank you guys. More to come.